Introduction: Web development is a process of building and maintaining websites and applications. It involves a range of disciplines, including coding, design, content, search engine optimization, SEO, and more. It's a rapidly evolving field that requires a combination of technical and creative skills. This guide will provide an overview of the different aspects of web development and offer a roadmap for those starting out in the field. It will cover the basics of web development, such as HTML and CSS, tools and techniques, and provide an in-depth look at the more advanced topics such as databases, server-side scripting, and content management systems. The basics. Before diving into web development, it's important to understand some of the basics. This includes web standards, markup languages, and the core technologies that make up web pages. Web standards. Web standards are the rules and guidelines that define the web. They are set by organizations such as the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, and are essential for the web to work properly. Markup languages. Markup languages are used to create web pages. The two most popular markup languages are HTML and CSS. HTML is the standard for creating web pages, and is used to structure content and create basic layouts. CSS is used to add styling and formatting to web pages. Core technologies. The core technologies of web development are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL. HTML is used to structure content, CSS is used to style it, JavaScript is used to add interactivity, and MySQL is used to store and manipulate data. Tools and techniques. A web developer needs to be familiar with a variety of tools and techniques to create and maintain websites. Text editors. A text editor is a type of software used to write code. Popular text editors include Atom, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Version control. Version control is a system for tracking changes to a file or set of files over time. Popular version control systems include Git and Subversion. Debugging. Debugging is the process of locating and fixing errors in a program. Popular debugging tools include Chrome DevTools and Firebug. Frameworks. Frameworks are sets of libraries that provide common functionality and help developers create web applications more quickly and easily. Popular frameworks include Angular, React, and Vue. Content management systems. A content management system, CMS, is a web application used to create and manage content. Popular CMSs include WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Server-side scripting. Server-side scripting is the process of writing code that runs on the server, rather than in the browser. Popular server-side scripting languages include PHP, Node, JS, and ASP.NET. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility in search engine results. It involves optimizing the content, structure, and code of a website to improve its ranking in search engine results. Design and user experience. Design and user experience are key to creating successful websites. Design. Design involves creating an aesthetically pleasing website that is easy to use and navigate. It involves creating the visual elements of a website, such as colors, images, and layout. User experience. User experience, UX, is the process of creating a user-friendly website that is easy to use and navigate. It involves understanding the needs and goals of the user and creating a website that meets those needs. Advanced topics. Once you have a good understanding of the basics of web development, you can start exploring more advanced topics. Databases. Databases are used to store and manage data. Popular databases include MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. Server administration. Server administration involves setting up and maintaining servers, such as web servers. Popular server operating systems include Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. API development. API development involves creating an application programming interface, API, for a web application. An API allows applications to communicate with each other and access data from other applications. Security. Security is an essential aspect of web development. It involves protecting websites from malicious attacks, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Conclusion. Web development is an ever-evolving field that requires a combination of technical and creative skills. This guide has provided an overview of the basics of web development, tools and techniques, and some of the more advanced topics. With a good understanding of the fundamentals, you can begin to explore the world of web development and create amazing websites and applications.